Hello everyone, my name is Chaw. My name is Shine.
Today,
We are talking about pet and recycling.
do you know there's so much trash in the world each year? And do you know there are many kinds of trash?
Yes, we know.
So, we should separate our trash and should recycle things as much as we can.
Why should we do?
Because plastic, paper, and glass bottle can be recycled. If everyone recycles trash, we can help save our planet.
I want to help you separate the trash. Me too.
Very good. Do you know what are the benefits of recycling?
Reduce the trash. Save money. Save the world. Add a hobby.
Yes, that's right. So, what do you want to recycle?
Plastic water bottle.
Why?
I think it's easy to find. And our house have a lot of plastic water bottle.
So, what can we do with plastic water bottle?
Make a toy. Make a lamp. Make a broom. Make a paint pot.
Okay, it can do a lot of things. What do you think you want to do?
I want to make a self-watering pot.
Well, where do you get idea for how to do it?
We can search DIY from the internet.
Okay, let's start searching.
Good evening, everyone. I am Chaw. I am Shine.
Last time, we got an idea from searching DIY how to make a self-watering pot from plastic water bottle already. Today,
We will find plastic water bottle in our house. Follow us.
which one would you like?
I think this one. I agree.
Yes, it's the right size. That's good. This way. Let's clean it up and let it dry first. After that, let's go around our house to find which plant we have and what we want to grow. What plant is this?
This is lemon.
What plant is that?
Lemon.
This way. Come on. What plant is that?
Eggplant.
Next,
Chili.
Chai. What's this plant?
Tomato.
And next,
Mint. Mint.
and next,
Aloe vera.
and the last one. What's that plant?
Bergamot. Orchid.
Alright, can you tell me now? What plant do you want to grow?
I want to grow chili. I want to grow tomato.
That's a great idea. Why do you want to grow it?
I like it. Help save money. It can be used for cooking. I like red color of tomato.
Okay, let's search from internet how to plant it in the self-watering pot.
Let's go. Let's go.
After we know how to make self-watering pot and how to grow our plant in pot already, next Let's try to draw our plant pot.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Mom, we are finished. Mom, we are finished.
Show it, please.
It's my blue Self-Watering pot for chili.
And you?
It's my red Self-Watering pot for tomato.
Good job. It's beautiful.
Thank you, Mom. Hi, everyone.
Today,
Chaw&Shine. We will making a self-watering pot for our chili and tomato.
let's see what material we need.
1 plastic water bottle, 2 scissors, 3 painter tape, 4 spray paint, 5 glue, 6 group of yarn.
Let's do it. First step,
Using scissors,
carefully,
cut the water.
about 6 inches from the top. Second step,
Let painter tape around the top.
part of the bottle. The third step,
Using a drill,
carefully,
punch a hole.
through the center of the bottle cap.
ว้าวเข้าแทงเลย
Step 4,
Spray paint and let it dry. เอาไปฉีดเลยอย่าไอ้ชุดใหญ่ต้องเป็นสีแดงหมดเย้
what color is your pot?
My pot is blue. My pot is red.
Next, step 5,
Cut a group of yarn about 12 inch long.
make a knot to keep it in place.
And thread a group of yarn to the bottle cap.
Step 6, last step,
Screw the cap back onto the bottle. Yeah, now we are finished.
very good. Now we have a self-watering pot. Are you ready to grow our plants?
Yes, we are ready.
What do we do first?
Fill water into the bottom of the pot.
And then
Put the top portion upside down into it. Put soil and our plant into the upside down section.
So, how does a self-watering pot work?
Tell us, Pete.
The yarn suck the water up from the bottom portion of the pot to the top part.
The yarn same like root.
Yes, If we forgot to water the plant, it will water itself.
The plant stay happy for a long time.
Yes, when our plants are happy. Are you happy?
Yes, we are very happy.
Today,
Chaw&Shine. We are summarize the knowledge of Selfwateringpot project.
how will you do it?
We are summarize by drawing a mind map.
That's a good idea. How to do the first step?
Write a topic at the center of page.
Next step,
Think of the subtopic and entry branch.
from the center topic. How many subtopics does our project have?
5 subtopics.
Yes, and what about the next step?
Activate 2 subtopics about more idea and information.
Very good. How to do the last step?
Decorate a mind map with picture and color.
If you want to make it colorful, you must use more than 3 colors.
Okay, we are finished.
Show me, please. So beautiful and colorful. Good job.
Thank you, Mom. Chaw&Shine. We will present our video clip in the online class on Wednesday, 29 September 2021. Thank you, Teacher Bank สุชานันท์ศรีใจ Thank you, Teacher ฝนวรพัฒน์เลือดวงลุ่มเย็น Thank you, Teacher Diane Carla Bendiola. Thank you, classmates. We miss you. We hope to see you at school next term. Bye bye.